Hello friends, so in this video we are going to solve one problems in pulse code modulation. In the previous video we discussed about pulse code modulations and its parameter, transmission, bandwidth in pulse code modulations. Let us go to the problem. A television signal with a bandwidth of 4.2 MHz is transmitted using binary PCM. The number of quantization levels is 512. Calculate code word length, transmission bandwidth, final bit rates. Here the frequency 4.2 MHz is transmitted by using the binary PCM, and also in this problem they have given the number of quantization level is 512. So we need to calculate the code word length. So code word length is nothing but the number of bits to represent the quantization levels. So there is a formula, quantization levels is denoted as Q is equal to 2 power V. Here the given quantization level is 512 is equal to 2 power V. Therefore we substitute the values of V. So here the values substitute, for example the values V is equal to 2, then we have the quantization level is equal to 4, and V is equal to 8, your quantization level 2 power 8. Therefore Q is equal to 2 power 8 is equal to 256. When you apply V is equal to 9, Q is equal to 2 power 9 is equal to 512. Therefore V is equal to 9 bits. So this is the code word length. So code word length is equal to 9 bits. So it depends upon the quantization levels. Then B is the number of bits. The next problem is transmission bandwidth. So transmission bandwidth. So transmission bandwidth is related to bandwidth is greater than or equal to B and W. We already discussed in the previous lecture. If you are not remember, please go to the video and refer. Vt greater than or equal to V into W, and here V is equal to, if found V is equal to 9 bits, and W is the frequency. So here in the problem 4.2 MHz is transmitted, that is the W. Therefore the bandwidth is equal to 9 into 4.2 MHz, so is equal to 37.8 MHz. The bandwidth required to transmit the frequency 4.2 is 37.8 MHz. And third one is bit rate. So bit rate, we have the formula, bit rate R is denoted as V into Fs, where Fs is the sampling frequency. Sampling frequency. So there is a formula for sampling frequency. So Fs, it should be greater than or equal to 2 Fm. That is your message signal frequency. Message signal frequency. Here the message signal frequency is equal to 2 into 4.2 2 megahertz. So is equal to what? 8.4 megahertz. That is Fs. Substitute this Fs value here. So V value is equal to 9 and Fs value is equal to 8.4 megahertz. So is equal to 75.6 into 10 power 6 or 75.46 megahertz. This is the bit rate. Now we have checked the results whether we had the right answer or not. So we have the relations bandwidth is equal to is greater than or equal to bit rate divided by 2. That is, our bandwidth is equal to 37.8 is greater than or equal the bit rate we have found 75.6 megahertz here megahertz divided by 2. So 75.6 megahertz is equal to 37.8 megahertz. So these are the formulas used to calculate the three parameters: code word length, transmission bandwidth, and final rate. Thank you, friends. The next video we'll discuss about some more problems to understand PCM better. Thank you.